Is your hair turning grey while you are still in your 20s and 30s? Well, premature hair graying is a major concern young people are facing these days. Blame it on irregular lifestyle, disturbed sleep patterns, and multiple color and heat treatments. But today I'm sharing a simple yet a very powerful Ayurvedic remedy to reverse hair graying by healing your body from within. No fancy ingredients, no hair dyes. Still, your hair will appear dark and shiny like never before. And you really have to try it out to believe it for yourself. So let's start by making the black magic mix, as I call it. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so as a first step, place a tawa or any other heavy bottom pan on medium flame. Then all you have to do is to dry roast 100 grams of kalonji or mangrel, also known as black seeds. These are available in all desi kitchens and are used for preparing pickles, etc. Kalonji is loaded with antioxidants that control free radicals in the body. Free radicals fasten the process of aging, which also includes graying of hair. So basically, kalonji helps in improving the levels of melanocytes. These are the cells which are responsible for producing melanin in the hair. So keep roasting these seeds for 7 to 8 minutes till they turn crispy and get slightly bigger in size. Kalonji also maintains blood sugar level in your body, and that is the exact reason that it is widely consumed in Indian culture. So apparently they have been roasting for a while now and the seeds seem to be done by now. So let's quickly take them out. Next, we have to dry roast some black sesame seeds, also known as kale til. Black sesame is again a very commonly kitchen staple which is found in every Indian household. It is traditionally used in preparing laddus, etc. for instant energy and detoxing the body. Guys, Ayurveda swears by its hair thickening and hair darkening properties. Black sesame seeds also strengthen bones and detoxes the intestines. So almost after 7 to 8 minutes, they seem to have swelled in size and have gone super crisp. Now let's take them out as well. So here you can see that we have both the seeds dry roasted well. If you wish, you can roast them together as well. Now grind them as fine as you can. Make sure that the grinder doesn't have any moisture. And here we have the fine mixture. Now choose a clean and a dry airtight container and transfer the kalonji and til mixture into it. This smells like those til laddus that our mothers have been preparing on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. The next and the final step is to add some honey into it. You can add Manuka honey as well, just because Manuka honey is a premium quality honey which have some astounding, health benefits. However, at this moment, I only have the regular one, so I'm going to use it. So this mixture would require approximately 100 to 150 ml of honey, depending on how dry your seed mix is. Now mix everything together very nicely till it becomes smooth as a paste, almost resembling the consistency of a Chyawanprash. So this black magic paste, as I fondly love to call it, will stay good for up to 1 full year if kept away from moisture, and that too in an airtight container. Now let's quickly understand how to consume it for maximum benefits. So in summers, having 1 teaspoon every day should be enough, just because this is warm in nature. However, in winters, you can go ahead and consume up to 1 full tablespoon every day. If you're pregnant, then avoid having it. However, post childbirth, it is highly recommended that you consume it, just because it would help in healing the uterus and also arrest any postpartum hair loss. And since natural remedies require time, so be patient and consistent. Slowly, the pigmentation in the hair would begin to improve and the hair will appear darker, thicker and stronger than ever before. So do try this simple remedy out and don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.